You can have a YouTube channel that has over 50,000 subscribers and is monetized, and yet I would make more money than you every single month with a channel of less than 3,000 subscribers that is not monetized. And how I'm able to do that is a simple magic I'm about to share with you in this video. Now, you see, I get a lot of message from small YouTubers, especially those who see my videos on my smaller channels, and their problem is, how do I really make money from my YouTube channel? Do I have to wait until my channel is monetized? Well, it's very simple. Now, some of the books that I read that actually helped me change my mindset about YouTube is a book like this, Sell Like Crazy, and many more books like that I would share with you eventually. But I'm just going to share with you some of the tips that I've learned. Now, if you're a small YouTuber, you know very well that for you to monetize, you need about 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. And come closer, between me and you, we both know that that's not an easy feat to achieve. But again, is it possible? Yes, very possible. I have monetized YouTube channel. I have a monetized YouTube channel, and at the same time I have a YouTube channel that is not monetized, which is this one you're currently watching this video on. If you check my subscription, you would realize that I only have currently over 2,370 subscribers. I know the numbers just because it is not monetized, and I don't care because I make more than a lot of monetized YouTube channels on the YouTube space, and how I'm able to achieve that is what I'll be showing you in this video. But first of all, I want you to do something for me. I want you to hit the subscribe button. I want you to hit the subscribe button if this is your first time on this channel, because I promise you, you would not regret it. Like this video, share so that more people will get to see it. Now, without further ado, let's delve into the video. Now, what you want to understand with YouTube is that YouTube money is not necessarily just AdSense. And I promise you, a lot of your big YouTubers that are out there that are making a lot of money, that claim to make a lot of money from YouTube, are not really cashing out based off of YouTube AdSense. While YouTube AdSense, right, and Google AdSense is a good source of revenue, it pays good money. For instance, if you're able to get somewhere around 600,000 views every single month, right, you're able to garner, your channel is able to accumulate 100,000 views every single month, then it is a possibility that you can make somewhere around probably $4,000, $5,000. So let's leave it at $3,000 every single month, right? And that's good money. But do you also know that you need 1 month, which is about 30 days of views, to actually get that amount of money? Meanwhile, I have made more than that money in less than 1 hour, and by doing certain simple tasks for certain people. And that is literally what I want to show you in this video. So whilst you keep looking at your big YouTubers and wondering, these people are cashing out from AdSense, yes, that is true. And also that might not be true depending on their niche and depending on the RPM, which is depending on the amount Google get to pay them per month. The views and the AdSense usually varies, right? But again, I can tell you that sometimes some of these big YouTubers, some of small YouTubers and as such, can make what big YouTubers make in 3 months in less than 1 hour and in 1 hour work. Now, how you are able to do that is simple. First of all, I want to start by telling you to focus. Focus is a very, very important thing. You see, for a lot of people, they just dabble around, go here, go here, go here. You need to be focused. Now, some YouTubers will say niche down, but I like to use the word focus because that is more relatable. You need to be focused. You see, for an advertiser, where you make your money from is usually having your YouTube channel to focus on something. All right, have your channel to focus on one thing. You can't be talking about mics today. Tomorrow you're talking about lights. Tomorrow you're talking about how to make money online. Next tomorrow you're talking about how to grow a YouTube channel. The next day you're talking about how to sell shoes. The next day you're talking about how to make your hair. You are literally everywhere. Interestingly, you might just randomly drop a video on one of the things that you have done, and then this video will go viral, but that's all you get. Virality, and that's it. You can't sustain it, because virality does not mean your YouTube channel is going to continuously get views, right? So let's scrap the whole idea of, you are here, you are there, you're here. You need to be focused. Like I said, a lot of people will call this niching down, but I like to call it focus because it means you know exactly what you're doing. Secondly, you need to low-key love what you're doing. You see, it is very, very important for you to love what you're doing, because just recently I was sharing with an individual, a very good friend of mine, who is also a very big YouTuber in this space, right? And I told him something. I said, I have a couple of channels that if I have not gotten to where I am now, where I get to, it is automated. I have staff, I have team of staff that manage those channels, because YouTube is a business that I do, right? If you want to learn more about YouTube, just a passing, if you want to learn more about YouTube and grow your YouTube channel without even having to show your face and make money from it, you can just leave a message for me, comment section, and then you'll be a part of my one-on-one course where I teach you how to do that. So long story short, I was telling him that if I didn't have a staff, a set of team that work on some of my YouTube channels, I'll probably drop it by now. Why? Because these are things I'm not passionate about, but they are things that people are interested in. So I just start a YouTube channel, get a team to run it, and it's just automated and it just goes on like that. But for a channel like this, I enjoy what I'm doing. I enjoy educating people. I enjoy helping people actually make money. So you need to actually love what you do. It is also very important for you to understand that whatever it is that you pick, you need to narrow down. For instance, one of the ways you actually make money from YouTube is through paid sponsorship. One of the ways I'll tell you that it's through paid sponsorship. That's one. And you would agree with me that if you are an advertiser or a business that is into selling of, let's say, microphones, there is no way you would advertise your microphone on a channel that has no focus. Even if that channel has 100,000 subscribers, right, and has reasonable views, I would not advertise my microphone on a channel that has 1,000 subscribers, but literally talks about everything. They talk about hair, they talk about cars, they talk about shoes, they talk about mics, they talk about food, they talk about, religion, everything. They're literally everywhere. So you see that it's 100,000 subscribers, like 100,000 people from different sects that read with different form or different interests. So it's very important that you have a tailored focus. For instance, my channel is just 2,300 subscribers thereabout right now, but you would agree with me that everybody on my channel has one thing in common: finance. They're trying to make money online, they're trying to grow their finances, and they're trying to learn one digital skill or the other. So it is very easy for me to come to a channel like mine, all right, a channel even if it has less subscribers, but because this channel is tailored and focused on one particular thing, it is easy for me to come to a channel like that and actually sponsor any project I'm doing that is related to what that channel is focused on, because I know very well that I would have more view and more relation and more activity, right, from a channel that has little subscribers or less subscribers but more tailored audience than a channel that has bigger subscribers and the audience are literally scattered all around. So it's very important for you to understand that you need to have a laser focus on what you're doing and do it constantly. The next way you can make money from YouTube without monetizing is by having product that you sell. Now, some people call this courses, some people whatever it is, but I like to say product. For instance, the first thing you must understand when you come on YouTube is to understand that it is a business. It is not just for ad revenue. I promise you, there are so many companies that have YouTube channel that the ad revenue probably came later. Some didn't even know about ads or anything. I know a company that started a YouTube channel and the CEO didn't even know anything about ad. He just thought, YouTube would be a good platform to talk about our business. Just like Instagram. Do you open Instagram to make money? You open Instagram to post your videos there. Post your pictures and your videos there. All right. So if you're a business person, you're probably into catering, you just open Instagram to showcase your business. So you need to see YouTube also like that. When you come on YouTube, just talk about your business, talk about anything that you're good at. Eventually you will start getting clients, because they would realize that this person is proficient, this person knows what he or she is talking about. And then before you know it, if you're talking about wigs, it's just a matter of time. All right, once you have a store on YouTube, you see people start ordering wigs from you. If you're into makeup, it's just a matter of time before someone will see you and say, this is the person I want to do my makeup for my wedding. I don't want nobody else, just her. Why? Because over time this lady or this person has watched your channel and seen that you talk about only makeup and you do it really well, and there's, if this person is this good at this, I want this person to do it. So you started selling your product, right? You started selling your services. Also, if you're into wigs or you sell hair, you sell whatever it is, you sell cars and you talk about cars, how to fix cars or whatever, it's just a matter of time before people will start buying cars under your recommendation. And sometimes this is not even just directly your product and all that, which brings us to the next way you can make money from YouTube, which is affiliate marketing. It's affiliate marketing. There's a thin line between affiliate marketing and paid sponsorship. Paid sponsorship, they just pay you to advertise their product, and sometimes it's affiliated with affiliate marketing. However, you can just talk about a product, take for instance Amazon, go on Amazon affiliate, wherever you be an Amazon affiliate, pick a product, talk about it, review those products and drop the link in your description, and you'll be shocked that people are going to buy from your product. So if you are able to be smart about YouTube and incorporate all these little things I've shared randomly with you, you'll be able to make money. In fact, you'll make more money from your YouTube channel than people who are monetized with more subscribers. So this is my advice to small YouTubers. If you're a small YouTuber and you just started on YouTube, you need to hear this very well. You need to hear this information I am sharing with you. So please share with a small YouTuber, because if you know this now, you'll be able to grow your audience steadily. So you'd understand that it's not really a game of numbers. It doesn't have to be I have 50,000 subscribers. No, okay, where are the 50,000 subscribers? What audience? What kind of audience are there? Are they coming to your channel because they want to? For instance, if I start a channel and all I talk about is how to become a UI UX developer, and all I talk about is UI. If I have 50,000, if I have 10,000 subscribers, I am very much sure that out of that 10,000 subscribers, 8,000 subscribers out of them have interest in UI UX. All right. But also, if I start a YouTube channel and I talk about randomly everything, sometimes UI UX, sometimes coding, sometimes programming, sometimes make money online, I can actually grow and have 50,000 subscribers. But amongst these 50,000 subscribers, all of them are just spread across. You don't have dedicated 1,000 subscribers that have one particular interest. So you see, eventually, companies will not want to relate with you because they know very well, these companies have these ideas. They know very well that your content are scattered around and your audience are not tailored, right? So when they get to advertise on your page, on your channel, it's waste. They don't make profit from it. Also, if you're trying to sell your product, because your audience are scattered about, they have no singular interest. Their interest is not unified. Your reach would be very, very poor. You'll be able to reach less people because most of the people you'll be reaching might not have interest in whatever it is you're selling. As you get to incorporate this, leave a comment for me in the comment section telling me how this helps you and how you struggled as a small YouTuber. I'll see you in my next video.